Hey guys, this is Sophia, and today we're going to be learning how to make two different kinds of Valentine's Day cards. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start with the first card. You're going to need either pink or red paper and an assortment of red and pink markers. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take it and fold it in half. Okay, now you're going to take a pink or red marker. I'm going to use red, doesn't matter what color you want to use. And I'm going to write Happy Valentine's Day on the front. You can do cursive, you can do skinny letters, you can do any kind of font you want. I'm going to do skinny letters. Okay, there we go. Now this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to take a marker, and it has these little heart stamps right here. If you don't have heart stamps, then you can just draw hearts, but I'm going to do these little heart stamps underneath this. Okay, now that we're done with that, I am going to just do a ginormous XOXO on here. I'm going to do the X is red and the O is pink. And I'm also doing those kind of skinny letters. And I'm just going to draw straight red lines inside of the O's. And now I'm going to take my pink and just go down right on the side of the X with pink. Like that. And then I'm going to connect those two and color it in. Okay, and now I'm just going to draw a big red heart since we still have some space. And then I'm going to do all other pink hearts and red hearts inside. There we go. And there is your front of the card. Now we're going to work on the inside. So I'm going to write Happy Valentine's Day again, but this time I'm going to do it in pink. And I'm going to do fancy letters. Okay, now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to do some red squiggly lines underneath it. There we go. Now you can put I love you and spell it like L-U-V and then just with a U, but I'm going to not do that. I'm going to do another heart right here. And I'm just going to do the same thing I did on the front. Except I'll probably be able to fit way more than 4 colors in here. I don't know. We'll just see. Okay, now I'm going to draw a bunch of little red and pink hearts around it. You can color them in, or you don't have to color them in. Either way, it'll still look really good. Okay, now that you're done with that, I'm just going to add a little emoji face with hearts. You don't have to. This is optional. Okay, and there is what your first side will look like. Now we're going to start on the other side. So I'm just going to do a red heart here and color that in. And then a pink heart over here. Color that in too. Now I'm going to draw miniature pink hearts on this side around the red heart. And then miniature red hearts around the pink heart. There we go. Now I'm going to draw 2 XOXOs, red X's, pink O's, and on the other one, pink X's and red O's. Now I'm going to draw some arrows. The first one's going to be red. Draw a triangle right there, and then just 2 straight lines sticking out on each side. There's one arrow. I'm going to draw a pink one right here. There's that side of the card. Now you have your whole card, front and inside, done. Now let's move on to the next one. Okay, now we are on our second card. You're going to need scissors, a pencil, assortment of red and pink markers, pink paper, and red paper. And last but not least, gold or silver glitter glue. So I'm going to start with my red paper, and I am going to draw a heart. There we go. Now I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut it out. And remember, you want the pink heart to be bigger than this. So I am just going to take it right here, and I am going to trace around it. Now I'm going to cut it out. There we go. Now, I forgot to mention, you're also going to want to use some glue so you can glue the two hearts together. So I'm going to take my red heart, make sure it's a good size. There we go. And I'm just going to take my glue and just do some squiggly lines up and down the heart. There we go. Now I'm going to flip it over and put it onto my pink heart. Press it down a little bit. If you have glue sticking out of your edges, just wipe it off like that. Stick it down really hard. Now you're going to let it dry. Next, I'm going to write the words in the inside. I'm going to do the glitter glue last because glitter glue takes a little bit to dry. You can write some options. You could do roses are red, violets are blue, happy Valentine's Day, I love you. That's the one I'm going to do. Happy Valentine's Day, I love you, you're great, XOXO, and some arrows. You can do whatever you want. But I'm going to do roses are red, violets are blue, happy Valentine's Day, I love you. I'm going to write that in red. There we go. Now I'm just going to take my heart stamps. Again, you can just draw hearts, but I'm going to do stamps because it's going to take me less time. There we go. Now you can also add some XOXOs or arrows. That's what I'm going to do. Pink X's, pink O's, red O's, pink X's. There we go. And then you can write to and from right here. Or love, whatever your name is, and then write it down. Now I'm going to take my glitter glue. You can use silver or gold. Today I'm going to be using gold. Today I'm going to be using silver. And you're just going to go all the way around the heart. Make sure you have enough before you start. And then you're going to let it dry. And that is how you make your second Valentine's card. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.